Well, our reporter Nonhlanhla Jele has more from the court.
To you and to the viewers at home, indeed, we saw the Manzini Magistrates Court this morning grant the extradition application of Siyabonga and Malusi Ndimande before handing down the judgment. Of course, David Khumalo, who is the magistrate in this matter, stated a few reasons based on what was submitted throughout since the court proceedings started in March this year. Some of the things that he mentioned are included in the formal extradition application which was sent from South Africa. Some of those things include what he says that in this application is evidence, according to the National Director of Public Prosecutions, against the two brothers, and he says they have cell phone records, they have vehicle trackers, and also videos and pictures that place the two suspects at the crime scene during the killing or the murder of AKA and Utebelo Tibbs Motswane. So those are some of the things that we heard here this morning, and also touching back on the issue of safety of the two accused. If you remember correctly, all the time when the defense was making their submissions in relation to the formal extradition application, they made mention of the fact that it is important that they know, it be a client, how their clients are going to be treated should they be sent back to South Africa, and if their safety is going to be guaranteed. Also touching on the fact that they have threats have been sent to their mother, 12 family members have been killed due to the ongoing taxi violence in KZN, and also saying that police in South Africa are actually colluding with the rival taxi association against them, so they fear that their lives are in danger. So those were some of the submissions the defense was making. However, Magistrate David Khumalo this morning said that they're going to ensure that the brothers are safely extradited back to South Africa. He also made an order that South Africa's Human Rights Commission must ensure that the rights of the two brothers are protected when they are extradited back to South Africa. After all of that and the judgment was handed down, we didn't see the defense standing up to say they're appealing or not. What we do know is that they have 15 days between today and until the 15 days lapses for them to consult with their clients, in this case which is Usiyabonga and Umalusi Ndimande, on whether or not they should appeal, and should they decide not to appeal, the judgment as it is will be handed to the Prime Minister of Eswatini for his signature, and then of course a transition will be made of the two brothers to be sent back to South Africa, where they'll join the 5 other suspects in KZN for the same charges that were listed even in court this morning.